Welcome back. We're making chicken. I'm just getting all my dry ingredients. Everything will be in the description. So I'm not going to say too much of anything. I'm just measuring everything out. I already have my wheat gluten, vital wheat gluten inside of here. This is what the package looks like. And then I put a half a teaspoon of the salt. So the salt is already in. Onion powder, regular onion powder. Didn't get my poultry seasoning. I hope I still have some of that. No, I didn't pull it out. Dang it. Hopefully it's not too far in here. You just mix them all up. This all the dry. I got water boiling in this pot, but it ain't came to a boil. Hasn't come to a boil yet. Just mix it up till it's all blended. Now what's in here? I have broth and tahini. Tahini looks like this. Where did I put it? I put it back. This is tahini. Now, you can find this, I believe, by the olives. But you mix the two together. So, like I said before, half of the mixture. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my beef video. You'll see what I'm talking about. Do half first. That's pretty dry. You don't want it to look like that. You just want everything to be incorporated. And a form of dough ball. That's still too dry. I might have did this one perfect though. Yep. Just get your hands in here. It's definitely weird in the beginning, but the more you do this, you'll understand it a lot better. You just get your hands in there. You're just gonna squeeze it. Incorporate everything. Gonna look like that. It's really weird, y'all, but you're gonna fall in love. And this I'm just gonna make into pieces of chicken, and everything is going to expand at least twice the size. Now you can either cook it over the stove or you can cook it in the oven. I prefer to do it over the stove sometimes because it's a little bit quicker. But, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's kind of weird. But I'm making chicken sandwiches, so I kind of wanted the cutlets to be like that size. And when it expands, it'll be pretty good. Now, my water ain't ready yet. So I'm going to stop this and come back. So I'm deciding actually to put this in the oven because I thought about it. This is chicken. So sometimes it can be real wet and like awkward tasting and feeling. So in the oven, a lot of times it comes out better. So I'll put it in, cook it for an hour like we did before with the Italian sausage, the Italian beef sandwich. If you haven't, check that out. Check that video out. But I'm just going to pour this broth into my pan that I have the stuff in. So I'll just show it to you. That's how they look once I section it off. You should be able to make 6 of these. I was able to make 7 because I make these a little bit smaller. But these will grow twice this size. So I'm just pour this over. It's nothing special. Pop it in the oven. Cook it in the oven for an hour, like I said. But once it gets to 45 minutes, I'll flip it over and then cook it for the remaining 15 minutes. And then take it out, let it cool, and then bread it and drop it in like you do regular chicken. So that's pretty much it. Now the broth, you just want to be able to cover your seitan. And my broth, I added some of the bouillon. That's what it looks like. Hopefully you can see it. Let me see. And then this is the vegetable kind. Why is it not clearing up? Okay, anyway. I'm just adding a little bit more to my broth. We're adding more broth to my pan, that's all. Now I don't want this to be salty, so I'm not going to add a whole bunch of this bouillon because the bouillon sometimes make it turn out to be salty. My oven is almost preheated. I'm going to cover it, hit the 45-minute mark, come back, let you all see it, and then you'll see the end results. Take care.
Okay, we're back after the 45 minutes. Look how big it's gotten. And I'm just going to flip them over. So, flip it over just like that. It looks weird now, but it's going to be the bomb, especially after we fry it. Just like that. Flip it over. Cover it back up. And it's extremely hot. Pop it in 15 last minutes. And then bring it out, let it cool, and then fry in the fryer. Okay, so now we're about to fry up. But I'm making, well, not really making nothing, but this is my flour. I have confection and sugar, some chili powder. I'm going to add some garlic powder. I should already grab this. Onion powder. So you season this how you add or season this the way that you want to season your chicken. I'm just doing it this particular way because the recipe says it and because I like the way it tastes. This, I just put some regular flour and I'm going to drop it. The oil is getting ready right now. It says to add some baking powder. I guess I never paid attention to that. I'm gonna add, no, I don't want to add that. Dang it. Add my black pepper, my salt, and then that should be it. Oh, and my garlic powder. salt. Sorry about that. Good enough. And I didn't add my garlic. Garlic is up here too. Sorry, y'all. Blocking your view. Okay. No, this is for this anyway. Okay, so I'm just mixing all of it up. Now you could do buttermilk, but veganize the butter. Well, the butter. It's not really buttermilk. But you do your almond milk and you mix it with some, I just had a brain fart. I think it's, what is that? And pickle juice. Jesus. But we're not gonna do all of that. But it's something else too. It'll probably be in the description. So I let these cool off. And I'm just, it's my top there. Playing too many games. Drop these. Drop the two that's ready. So I'm put it in my deep fryer. You might want to see it, don't judge. More deep fryer, but it's cooking up now. So I'm gonna let those cook, and I'll come back. So of course, nothing I recorded. I mean, I thought I was recording, but this is so good. This is how it looks. I had to add me some buffalo sauce to it. I added some fried green tomatoes. Let me show you the other patties. Look at that. So beautiful. Delish. If you have some tomatoes, I didn't have no tomatoes. I mean tomatoes. I didn't have any pickles, no mayo, nothing. But this is still so good. Every bite. So I pretty much have a buffalo chicken sandwich. Just by me adding the buffalo sauce. It just amped it up. And surprisingly, those fried green tomatoes was a good touch. I had some little baby green tomatoes that I got out of my garden. and just put some cornmeal in a pan. I ain't even, well, in the pan, in my bowl. I ain't even season it. I just popped it in the grease, let it fry up, and then just put them on the sandwich. And it's delicious. Oh my goodness. Definitely try this recipe out. You would definitely enjoy it. Definitely, definitely, definitely. It's good. Love you guys. Peace. Deuces.